In this video we will introduce Pytest fixtures to our test, and few reasons this is beneficial. We will have a reusable setup. This can include tasks such as WebDriver init or config, a way to isolate the setup and tear down logic, and the cleanup logic which will run after the test has finished. Let's look at this code. Here we have this part where we create a driver instance, and at the end of the test we call the driver quit. Now, if we have more than one test case, this logic will be duplicated, so let's see how we can improve our code. Here we will introduce a file called conftest, and basically this file will contain and share the test fixtures across the tests we have. One important note here is that fixtures defined in conftest file can be used by any test in that package without needing to import them, because Pytest will automatically discover them. And here we can find some samples on how we can define Pytest fixtures and how to use them in a test function, so you can read more about this here. Now back to our test, let's refactor this part where we initialize and config the driver. First step is to create the conftest file in our test package. Then we will import Pytest and WebDriver. We will use the Pytest.fixture decorator, and now we define a test fixture which can have any name. In this case I will name it browser and move the init and config WebDriver code here. Now we are yielding the driver object. This allows the test to interact with the WebDriver and perform actions like find elements or click buttons and so on. And the code defined after the yield statement, which will take care of cleanup actions like calling driver.quit. And that's it, we are done with our Pytest fixture. Let's see now how we can use it. First, let's get rid of those lines of code, and also we no longer need this driver.quit. To use the test fixture, we have to set the test fixture as a parameter to our test function. In this case will be browser. And simple as this, we have to replace this driver with the browser. Now all the errors are fixed, so let's give it a run. And as you can see, everything looks okay. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for your time and see you in the next one. Bye.